Okay, this is example 4.4.8, and it is our last example for this unit. It says we need to determine the acceleration of an object that's moving we have a velocity, and it's expressed as 500 degrees per second, and then we are also given a radius of 10 meters. So what that looks like is, once again, we're in circular motion, and from this pivot point, this thing is going to rotate more than one time through, because remember, one time through would be 360 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I have to convert this value, this velocity value. I have got to get to meters per second so that I can deal with it. So remember, I'm trying to solve for centripetal acceleration. That's equal to the velocity squared divided by the radius. So now let's take a look at what we got. We can say 500 degrees per second. Okay, that's my velocity value. So when we take 500 divided by 360, multiply it by 2 pi, and then multiply it by 10, we get a tangential velocity of 87.3 meters per second. Which, if we have a 10 meter radius, and we're going around more than once, that makes a lot of sense. So if we have 87.3 meters per second as our velocity, now we can plug in and we can solve for the acceleration. So we can say that the centripetal acceleration is going to equal to that number squared divided by the radius. So 87.3 squared divided by 10, you get 761 meters per second squared.